It is my great honor and privilege to share today as the Director, Lystra Foundation Uganda, an organization deeply committed to transforming lives and protecting our environment for the future generation. Today, I present not just as an individual, but as a united force with a shared responsibility to safeguard the natural resources that sustain our communities, our livelihoods, and our future. Environmental conservation is no longer an option, it is a necessity. The health of our environment directly reflects the health of our people. At Lystra Foundation Uganda, we believe that a greener environment creates a healthier, more balanced and peaceful society. Through initiatives such as tree planting, environmental awareness, youth engagement, and community empowerment, we are working to restore hope and resilience within our communities. However, we cannot do this alone. Real change requires collaboration, commitment, and collective action. Every tree planted, every plastic avoided, and every effort made toward conservation brings us one step closer to a sustainable future.